Hello and welcome to Optomaterials. Today we are going to discuss and understand the Vergence Facility Test. This test reflects the dynamic capacity of binocular vision and evaluates the ability of the eye to regain fusion while making rapid changes in vergence demand over time. This test helps us to assess the presence of vergence anomalies like basic exophoria, convergence excess, convergence insufficiency, and fusional vergence dysfunction. Several studies have recommended different prism combination for vergence facility testing. But one of the most accepted combination is 3 prism diopter base in and 12 prism diopter base out. This combination optimally differentiates between symptomatic and asymptomatic subjects with normal fovea at distance and near. To perform this test, one requires a vergence flipper with the prism combination of 3 and 12. Even if you don't have this vergence flipper, don't worry, you can use loose prism as well as the prisms from your regular trial set. Next thing that you require is a target for the near with the vertical lateral line of N8 or 6/9 and which should be kept at the distance of 40 cm from the patient. Now you need to place this 3 prism base in front of patient eye and ask him to clear the vertical target. Once he clears, flip or alternate to 12 prism base out, and once the patient clears with the both prisms, this is considered as one cycle. This test is repeated for 1 minute and the number of successful flip or alternate is recorded in cycle per minute. So while starting this test, give proper instruction to your patients about the test. Let him know that you are going to flip the prisms and he has to clear the target shown in front of him with each prisms. He may take longer time to clear the target. As an examiner, you make a note which particular prism taking longer time. You should also pay attention towards the movement of his eye to check the fusion and reliability of the response. The normal range for vergence facility is 12 with the standard deviation of 2 cycles per minute.
Single. Yes, sir. Single. Yes, sir. Single. Yes, sir. Single.
Hope this video was clear and informative to you. If you have any suggestions or queries, please feel free to write in the comment. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, click on the bell icon to get the notification of my all upcoming videos. Thank you for watching till the end. See you at the next video.